destined for the stars in a cosmic ballet. In the dance of life, death and rebirth, we journey from the earth to celestial worth. In the cosmic dance, we twirl and spin, from mortal to celestial, a journey within. Death to rebirth and eternal flow, in galaxies and constellations our spirits glow. The cycle of existence, a never-ending thread, from earth to stars where our souls are led. Death to rebirth in a cosmic embrace, eternal transformation, a celestial grace. The cycle of existence, a never-ending thread, from earth to stars where our souls are led. Death to rebirth in a cosmic embrace, eternal transformation, a celestial grace. From mortal to celestial we ascend, in the vast expanse our spirits blend. Death to rebirth, a cycle so grand, eternal transformation, hand in hand. Celestial birth, a new dawn begins. From the earth we rise, shedding our skins. In the dance of stars, galaxies and light, we find our place in the eternal night. In the infinite transformation, we find our way, from mortal to celestial in a cosmic display. Death to rebirth and eternal dance, in the stars, galaxies and constellations.